almost 5 weeks since I practiced piano, but I am in Edinburgh, Scotland now. I couldn't practice while I was in Bali, as you may know from watching my videos, but I ordered the piano, the keyboard, to come to my Airbnb in Edinburgh before I left Bali. It arrived 2 days after I got here. I wasn't able to get into it yesterday, but today I'm finally able to open it, so I wanted you guys to join me for the unboxing. Even though this is the same keyboard that I ordered when I was in London, it is a RockJam RJ654 keyboard. I already know how it plays. If you watched any of the piano videos of while I was in London, you've already heard it before. It's not a professional keyboard by any means. It's not perfect. It does not have dynamics, so no matter how hard or soft you hit the keys, it sounds the same. But for what it is, it's pretty great. It's light, which is really nice. I'm hoping that when I leave Edinburgh and take a train or a bus to Ireland, I'm going to Dublin for a day, meet my folks. Then we're taking planes, trains, and automobiles. Actually, we're taking buses and trains to get up to Belfast and then Ballintoy so we can go on a hike. And I'm hoping to bring the piano with me the whole time because I'd like to be able to practice, but we'll see. I may have to leave it somewhere just because it may just be too much stuff to carry because I have quite a bit of other luggage. But I ordered this on amazon.co.uk. And it was, I want to say 50 something pounds. It worked out to about 70 something American dollars. It is only 54 keys, but for my piano skill level, it works just great. Let's see. I should remember how to open this, but it was a month and a half ago since I last opened one. There we go. Try my best not to do any damage because if I need to resell it, I will do that before I go. Best way to pull this out. Of course, I managed to do some damage anyway. It's alright though, it's just the box. Nice box, has a handle on it. So inside the box, you have the piano. It comes with the AC adapter for the wall. It also comes with, because this is it has a UK plug, it comes with an adapter for Europe. And then it has a little plastic, bit flimsy, but perfectly good for holding my iPhone, which is what I use to practice with the app. There we go. The adapter in it. There we go. Off all the plastic here, save these bags in case we need them. And then it also comes with a gift card to play Joy Tunes. So Joy Tunes is, I believe, another app that you can play. Obviously, I've been using Yousician, so I haven't tried to use this. When I sold the piano in London, I actually gave the card as well to the roommate that bought it from me. And then they also provide a slip of paper with some customer support information. And below the piano, we have the entire guide in multiple languages of how to use the piano. I just use it to practice using Yousician, so it has 100 different functions. It's got 100 different tones, 100 different rhythms. It's got this percussion you can do programs and things like that. But honestly, I don't use any of it because what I'm really trying to do is just learn how to play. So I keep it just on regular acoustic piano sound, typically. So we're just going to get this plugged in, test some of the songs that I remember how to play, and we'll call it good for today. This plugs in the back here. There is also a place for a mic and a headphone jack here. And the headphone jack is a standard, I think it's 35mm jack, the same that you would have on your phone. It's not one of the larger jacks you may find in other fancier pianos. And the microphone jack there is the same, it's a small 35mm. The stand just fits in, pretty simple, straightforward. And of course I'm gonna run upstairs and grab my power strip because I only have one plug in here and it's on the wrong side of the piano. All right, got my travel power strip. Okay, let's turn this puppy on and give it a little spin. I'm gonna reorient the camera so you guys can see the keyboard a little bit better. Okay, we're in business. Now, whenever you turn on the RockJam RJ654, it is always at full volume. So whenever I turn it on, I typically turn it down a notch or two because it is pretty loud. See how much I lost here. I'm sitting a little bit low, but when I do my other videos in the next couple of weeks, I will find something to prop myself up on. Sounds pretty much the same as it did last time I had one. Now I'm trying to remember how the other song that I know really well goes because it's been so long, but I can only remember the melody. So excited to get back to work, get back to that song, make it perfect, and continue through the Yousician levels. I'm on level 8 still, haven't moved, so I'm going to work my way up to level 9, and I will continue trying to post a video every week so you guys can see my progress. Please subscribe to the channel and keep up with me, and stay tuned.